In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer money from your EBT card to Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you open up Cash App on your phone and you click on the icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will be able to access your banking page. In your banking page, you do have the options to link a bank account or a debit/credit card. By following either of these options, you will notice that while it appears that you can link your EBT card, you will notice that there is nowhere to place the credentials of your EBT card or have the option to properly link it to Cash App. So if you go back, is there any way to bypass or find a workaround and add your EBT card directly on Cash App? Sadly, as of today, there is no option to enable connecting both cards or accounts. If you try to bypass this, you will notice that it's impossible because Cash App only accepts valid and legitimate bank or debit and credit cards. As of today, it is impossible to connect your EBT card to Cash App. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the limitations of Cash App and EBT card. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.